if you did buy the racing for either the 2.0 or 3.3, you're going to get this piece right here. Now this is our transmitter and receiver box, and there are 3 cables that come with it. Now that I've already installed these, 2 cables that run off the exhausts, you're going to plug them into these last 2 right cables here. Just plug them right in. They go right into your exhaust, so you're going to route them out. You can see right here. Let me get a good better. Right here in this hole. This leads on to the outside of this battery compartment to the bottom of the car. So you're going to route your cables through here. I have both routing right here to each of the EVC controllers that are on the exhaust. So here's a close-up look. You can see the 2 connectors that we use to connect to the exhaust. Right here and right there. These both run to the exhaust. EVC controllers. Here is where the cigarette lighter cable would have been. Since we splice out the end, we're going to take the black wire running this way. We have it into a crimp that goes into the circle metal that you'll use as the ground. So this is where you can connect it to. We've just bolted the ground wire right on top of it, and that's where we put our ground. Very easy and very accessible. And as for the red wire, we route it all the way up top here to this compartment right here. Now let me just pop that off for you, just so you can see. And we basically did the same thing. Took the red wire, spliced it, and put it under that bolt right there in the center. Just pull it up a little bit. And just route your red wire right under there, splice it, put it right under, bolt it down, and you're good to go. Once you have the ground and the positive wire running to their correct locations, this receiver should power up and your controller should work.